Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Runaway Bay, and Runaway Bay has become one of the fastest growing areas in Jamaica. As you can see, a lot of developments are taking place. This is the Northern Coastal Highway, the main road that takes you from from Ocho Rios to Montego Bay, and it goes through the town of Runaway Bay. So today we're going to talk about some of the mega developments taking place in Runaway Bay. Now, probably one of the largest hotel in terms of rooms is the Bahia Principal, and it's located in Runaway Bay, and it has 1,350 rooms. They have plans to build a second hotel beside it. It's going to be another 1,350 rooms. So combined, it will be the largest hotel in Jamaica in terms of hotel rooms. Now you have another hotel being built, which is the Royalton, and you straight ahead, that property that we're looking at now, straight ahead there, that used to be the Jewel Paradise Cove Hotel, and the Royalton Group bought it out, and they are now upgrading the hotel to open it as the Royalton Chick. And then straight ahead now is Palm Beach Villas, a massive development taking place in Runaway Bay. We have videos up for all of these developments, so you can check it out. Then now we have KFC building a location in Runaway Bay. At the beginning of the video, as we swing back around the drone, I'll show you though where they're building it. So KFC is building a location in Runaway Bay. Secrets Hotel is going to be building a hotel in Runaway Bay. 700 room hotel, massive development. And then Proven, they are building residential units in Runaway Bay called Bahari at Runaway Bay. And we have videos up for all of these developments, so you can check it out. Now there's another massive project. It hasn't started yet, but it's called the Sugarcane Bay Resorts. And it's being built just on the outskirts of Runaway Bay. Well, in Runaway Bay. They're going to be building 10 hotels. 10 hotels, over 4,000 hotel rooms. It's what's an official name for it? Charisma Hotels is building 10 hotels out there. Sugarcane Bay, massive development. Then we have 2 gas stations being built along the Northern Coastal Highway, and it's coming into view now. This plaza is being built, and at the front of that building will be the KFC, and that's one of the 2 gas stations being built. It's a total, and then further down they're building a Johnson's Petroleum. So a lot is happening in Runaway Bay, but probably one of the biggest developments is they're going to get 2 highways going through Runaway Bay. The toll road that takes you from Kingston to Miami Bay is being extended all the way to Trelawney. So you're going to have 4 lanes, dual carriageway, taking you on the outskirts of Runaway Bay. There will be an exit from the highway to Runaway Bay. That will be a toll road. And then this road we're looking at, the Northern Coastal Highway, will be upgraded to 4 lanes. It's going to go from Miami Bay, from Ocho Rios all the way to Discovery Bay will be 4 lanes. And these projects have been announced, and they will be starting soon, all except for the Sugarcane Bay development. They haven't announced a new start date yet, but look at all of this land for development. It's just a matter of time before more hotels are built along the coast. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.